Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by combining the dry ingredients so leavening is even. Sift flour, sugar, baking powder, and baking soda together. While you sift, measure your egg substitutes. 1/2 cup applesauce or mashed banana replaces 2 eggs, adding moisture and binding. Then pour in 1/4 cup neutral oil and 3/4 cup plant milk. These restore fat and thinning lost without eggs. Once combined, whisk to a uniform color. This prevents pockets of baking soda and ensures even rise in the oven. You now focus on building structure without eggs. Whip the wet mix lightly until glossy, and whisk the dry mix to aerate. Combine by folding in 3 additions to trap air. If you want extra lift, mix 1 teaspoon vinegar into the wet and activate 1 teaspoon baking soda just before folding. That quick reaction boosts rise. For crumb stability, add 2 tablespoons aquafaba or 1 teaspoon xanthan gum. These mimic egg proteins. Make sure not to overmix. Overworked batter gives a tough cake. You transfer batter to a prepared pan and bake at 175 degrees Celsius for 25 to 35 minutes. Check doneness with a toothpick inserted in the center. Once done, cool in the pan for 10 minutes to set crumb, then remove to a rack to finish cooling before glazing or frosting. This prevents sogginess. If the cake is dense, make sure your leavening was fresh. Then next time, add a 1/2 teaspoon extra baking powder or 1 tablespoon aquafaba to lighten the crumb.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.